Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal porridge. Measure 1 cup oats and 2 cups liquid, choose rolled oats, and prep your saucepan and spoon before heating. This saves time and avoids lumps, keeping the process smooth and calm as you cook a comforting breakfast for one or many. Warm your liquid gently, then stir in oats and lower heat to a slow simmer, cooking while stirring often to prevent sticking and to coax out creaminess. This approach gives you control over texture, so you can make thick, spoonable porridge or a looser cereal-style bowl, depending on preference and appetite. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which is funny because better money habits often mean more time to cook simple meals like this porridge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the oats are softened, stir in spices and a sweetener of choice, then taste and tweak. Layer textures by adding crunchy nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit, and finish with a splash of milk or a spoon of yogurt for richness, creating a bowl that feels indulgent yet wholesome and customizable to whatever you have on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.